Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix graphics card not detected in Windows 11. So to confirm that this is really your problem, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and navigate through your task manager, and from here you then want to click on performance. Now if you cannot see the Windows or the GPU 0 option on this page, it means that you basically have the problem of not detected by your Windows. Now the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and make sure that your monitor is connected to the graphics card itself. Now if you navigate through your motherboard, you can then go ahead and see two HDMI ports. Basically this one belongs to your motherboard and you want to make sure that you are plugging into the bottom HDMI or display port on your computer. Now this is basically your graphics card, and plugging in your monitor onto this port will enable the graphics card on your computer. Now after making sure that you have plugged your device into the right port, you can also go ahead and update your graphics card to the latest version. Now you can just search for NVIDIA, Intel, or AMD onto the Google search bar right here, and then you want to search for drivers update. Now head over to the official website of those selected brands, and then you want to select the right graphics card in your computer. In my case, it's going to be the RTX 3060 Ti. Click on find, download and install the driver itself, and from there you then want to restart your computer to simply confirm the installation, and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.